if you had a problem like 10 times e plus 7, if e equaled 3, you would change it so that it would be 10, 3 plus 7. So then you would first do the stuff in the parentheses, which would be 10, and then you would do this. Then you would do times 10. So 10 times 10 equals 100. Problem solved! Yay! If you need to be describing the relationships between the terms, as in this problem 1, 7, 13, 19, you try to detect a problem. A pattern. So 7 and 13, how much does that go up? It goes up by 6. So, of course, 7 plus 6 equals 13. So, and 13 plus 6 equals 19. So, it would be plus 6. So, if you want to know what the next 3 terms would be, all you had to do was add 6. And so, basically, and then, so if you want to know what is added, you do plus 6 would be what you would add. You'd add plus 6 to the last one. And so the next 3 terms would be 25, because 19 plus 6 is 25. 31, because 25 plus 6 is 31. And 37, because 31 plus 6 is 37. Okay, alright. We will talk about properties. Community property. Easy. Peasy, weasy, weasy. Community property. Stuff can be switched around. So, 7 times y can also be y times 7. Whoa, explosion. Explosion. And
we have to do 2.
That would be the community property of multiplication. Addition would be the same exact thing, except addition sign. So, but if you need the associative property, you would do this. So, 5. If you would do 5 plus a plus 8. Boom. This would also equal. It would also equal to 5 plus a plus 8. Oh, I forgot to put my parentheses. If that would be like that, then you would have lots of fun with the associative property. Okay? Thank you. Easy peasy weasy, easy peasy. And if you have a 1, if you got a 1 time c, of course that would equal c. It's logic, but of course that is identity of multiplication. Okay, got it. You got it. You got it, people. Thank you. Thank you. If you had a problem like this, like this, and you need to use the descriptive property to evaluate the expression, what you would do first? Yes, you first. JJ, yes, you. And we are being recorded right now. What you would do first? What you would do first is you make the 3 go right into 5. Boom, like that. Plus the 3 times the 6. So that would equal 15 plus 18. And JJ says that 15 plus 18 equals 33. Is that correct, TJ?
Yeah.
We will be right back after this short commercial break.
If you have an ox, you need OxyClean. So, if you were told by Mr. Marshmallow that you had to identify the terms, like terms, coefficients, and constants in the expression, what you would do is you would get one of these problems. You see? Like right here. This is the problem.
Fantabulous.
Yes, you identify the terms by looking at what the numbers are. 2 is a term because you're adding it to 3a. But also, 3a is also a term. And also is 9a. Don't forget about 9a. They're all 3 of these are terms. Got it? Star Wars will now tell you what to do. So, the first thing that you do is you get the terms, which I just said, with 2, 3a, and 9a. You write those down. Okay? You write them down. Okay? You just write them down, right where you're supposed to do it. Boom. And it would be, of course, 2, boom. 3a, boom. And 9a. That's it. Nothing else. No tricks. No weird stuff with like stuff. And we have to find the like terms. Which ones are good together? So you can't add 2 to 3a because there's an a. So 2 and 3a is not there. Yeah. But 9a and 3a like each other because they both have an A. Okay?
I have an A.
No, you probably have an F. Okay. So,
Not that.
okay. Then we have.
Not in math, of course.
Okay. We have the like terms, of course, would be 3a and 9a because 3a and 9a like each other and are jokes to 2, so they only are like 3a and 9a. Okay? The coefficients are these. You see? The 3 and the 9, because you're actually doing 3 times a. Okay? And 9 times a. But 2 does not have a does not have an a on it. So it is just a normal number. You see, JJ?
But it still has a coefficient.
No, it's not. Because it's not multiplying anything together. Okay?
I need to watch your video after this.
Okay.
I'm really confused.
Alright? So the coefficients would be 3 and 9. Because a does not count as a coefficient. It's never a coefficient. The letters are never a coefficient.
Well, then
and
what's
if it does not have a coefficient, if it does not have a letter, it is not a coefficient. So 3 and 9 would be the answer. So let's just put 3 and 9. 3 and 9 as our answer. Okay, this is the longest one. We're going on to how to figure out what the constants are. The constants are the opposite. They're the 2. They're the 2. 2 is a constant. Okay? 2 is a constant. Got that? 2 is a constant. Because it's a number without the letter. Okay?
You look so stupid right now.
I do not care. JJ is making bad comments about me. What do you think about yourself? But anyways, that would be the answer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, easy weezy. Boom, done.
Is that an
there. And he thinks that he can be over me. But remember, this is how you do it, even though you probably did not keep track of anything. And I'm running out of time. I have to stop at 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, if you had a problem, like 4x plus 8 in parentheses plus 7x plus 3 in parentheses, you would first have to make it so that the like terms, you would first add the like terms. Easy peasy. So 4x plus 7x equals 11x. Now you can't put 11x plus 3 or into 8, you can't put 11x into 3 or 11x into 8 because they do not have an x. But 8 and 3 can go together, so 8 plus 3
equals 11. Wait. Yeah, it equals 11. So it would be 11x. 11 plus 11x. Boom, bam, bada, boom, pow. If you have a problem, like in parentheses, -3x minus 2 out of parentheses minus in parentheses 7x plus 9. First, what I would do is I would make it into addition problem. So you'd be -3 and make make this into addition problem, and then you would make the 2 into a negative. So it'd be -2 plus, and then because there's a minus there, we're gonna have to make this into addition, which makes this one into a negative and this one into a negative. So it'd be -7x plus -9. You cannot see that, but it's -9. So after that, you would just add them up like normal. So -3x plus -2 would, well, yeah. So this one and this one would equal -10x plus this one and this one would be -11. And this would be your answer right there. If Mr. Marshmallow asked you to factor this problem, what factoring is to find what I would do basically is I would easily I would try to figure out what does go into 6 and 3. 3 does. So I would say 3. And you just put x, because 3 times x is 3x, which is right up here. So, and then if you add, then you would have to add 2, because 2 times 3 equals 6. Easy weasy peasy.